Hi there! Come help me wake up our sleepy farm with colors. First, the big, bright blue sky. Just like a nice day on the farm. The blue sky gives our chickens a sunny place to scratch around. Now, the grass and trees, that's where the animals love to play. The green grass rolls out like a soft blanket, perfect for sheep and cows to munch on. The farmhouse walls and kennel get a cozy brown. They keep everyone and the dog warm in winter. Red roof on top. Now it looks like it's smiling. Just like the classic farmhouse you see in storybooks. Hey, we got flowers too. Pink, yellow, and red to keep the bees happy. Look at our farm. It's ready for all the animals to move in. But first, let's plant some trees on our farm. Pop them out. Pop, pop, pop. Look, they are all different shapes and sizes. Tall ones for the owls, short ones for the rabbits. Did you know? Trees give animals food, shelter, and shade. I will just slide them into the green platform. Perfect fit. They stand tall on our green farm. It is now cooler and greener. The animals are going to love their new home. All right, let's find the animal number 1. Can you guess what farm animal this is?
Yes!
The animal number 1 is our spotty friend who really wants to become bright. Black. You know where this color goes, right?
Yes!
Of course! It's the color of the spots. What else is black on this farm animal? Oh, yeah, the tail and the hooves. It's looking like a real farm animal now. Oh, don't forget the horns, the eyes, and the nostrils. Pink for the udder and snout. And here she is, a beautiful cow. Here's a fun fact. Cows can smell things from 6 miles away. Cows love to eat grass all day, and they can even sleep standing up. Isn't it cool? Our cow is ready for the farm. Click it right into place. This cow is getting comfy here. Next up is this fluffy farm animal. Pop out it comes. Number 2. What is this animal? It says Baba! Pink! Let's give this cutie a pink wool makeover. Brush, brush, brush! Cover every curl. And that little nose. Black for the eyes, the hooves, and tiny tail. This is a sheep. Sheep grow wool that we use to make clothes. One sheep can make several sweaters. And into the farm it goes. Here's our little sheep. Up next is this animal. This is our tail-wagging friend. It's also our farm's best helper. Number 3. What is this animal? Let's see if you guessed right. Oh, he's a good boy. He's ready for his color. Orange. Ah, look at that orange fur. Just like the color of warm hay in the sun. And he's ready for a sunny farm day. Black. Shiny eyes, always watching the farm. Brown. A little brown here and there. Fluff it up. Yep, dog is here. Some dogs on a farm herd sheep, others guard the barn. And some dogs just love chasing butterflies. All of them love running through tall grass. That has gotta be really cute. Back you go, pup. Your farm needs you. The dog. Now, here comes the egg maker. How do you like your egg? Sunny side up or scrambled? 4 is our lucky number, and this is our lucky friend. It says cluck cluck. You know who this is. Yellow for the beak that pecks at seeds. Red for the comb. A couple of black eyes. And our chicken friend is ready. Chickens lay eggs almost every day. And chicks love following their mama everywhere. Mama chickens or hens talk to their baby chicks before they hatch. Just like all mamas do. Back to the farm you go, Feather Queen. It's a chicken! And the next animal is snorting in to say hi. This one, right here. Number 5. This oinky farm animal is so adorable. A friend to the chicks and rooster. Pink. From head to curly tail. This animal's body is soft as a cloud. Have you met this farm animal before? Let's greet him with your best oink sound. Excellent. Ooh, I love those oinks. Here and there. So, tell me, kids, is this your favorite color? All kinds of pink are my favorite. Soft one and the dark one. Which parts of this animal should we color with darker pink? You're absolutely right. A little here and a little there for extra charm. Yes, the neck too. And these cute ears can get some pink shades, don't you think? Pink. A rosy snout. Perfect for sniffing treats. Black. This pig is ready for a piggy parade. Do you know, pigs can find food buried under the ground. And they have amazing memories. They are super smart. Back into the farm scene you go, Curly Tail. Yes, it's a pig. Say hi to the chick. And now, it's the farm's loudest alarm clock. The animal number 6. He yells, cock-a-doodle-doo, in the morning to wake people up. Ready to color? Yellow. Yellow is for pecking and walking. Always strutting with confidence. Orange. Orange feathers are as bright as sunrise. Oh, he's looking proud. Next, red. The comb on top looks like a crown. Farm royalty style. Blue. Lots of blue feathers cover his strong chest. Green. This wing flaps to show off the colors. It's the flashiest bird in the barnyard. Do you like this color mix? A little bit of black and the rooster is ready. Rooster is a farm animal that can crow over 15 times a day. Their crow can be heard from over half a mile away. They also protect their hens and keep watch for sneaky predators. Just look at this guy. And back on the farm stage, ready to sing. Our rooster is the king of the coop. All the animals are home on the farm. Flip! Numbers on the back. Flip! Great job, little farmers. See you next time. Hey guys, today something strange is going on. Oh no, all our animal puzzles have fallen into pieces. Look! We gotta put them back together. Let's start with this guy. First, we need to find its mane. Here it is. We're fast, right? Now the body. Found it. That was a tough one. Now the face. Wrong. Nope. Not this one. Aha, this is the one we need. It's a lion. Lions are the world's second largest cats. They live in groups called prides. You can hear a lion roar from far away. The next animal. Let's find its claws first. This is one claw, it's red. And this is another one. It's red too. Now we need the legs. Aha, look at this. We'll need this piece too. Help me find the eyes. What a choice. I think these ones. Oops, they don't fit. Wrong pick. Let's try these ones. Perfect. We also need the body. Let's see. Might be this one. What do you think? It's red, just like the claws. It's a crab! Crabs have 10 feet and they walk sideways. Shells protect their soft bodies. I need your help with this creature. Let's find its head. Which one is it? I think we found it. Let's put it in its place. We can look for the paws now. Maybe these ones? That's right. And here is the second pair. Now the tail. Which one do we need? It must be one of these. Let's try this fluffy one. It doesn't fit. Then it must be this tail. Woohoo! It fits! Just one piece left. Gotcha! We've got a cat. Cats have very good night vision. If a cat is purring, it usually means it's happy and calm. Let's move on and find this animal's legs. One of these pieces might fit. Let's try this one. Yep, now we need the front legs. I think this is the right piece. Let's find the head now. Well. Let's see. Right, here it is. I think it'll fit perfectly. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. All giraffes have different patterns. Next one. This animal. Let's start with the head. What do you think? Must be this one. It's big and round and yellow. Yay! But what is this piece? No. Wait a second. That's what we need. Time to find the body. We need something yellow again. Could be this big piece. Let's check. So, did we find the right one? We also need this wing. I think this is what we need. It's a duck. Ducks are actually great divers, and they can see well underwater. Let's continue. This animal has a tail. Let's find it. Can you see it? How about this one? Looks good to me. Yes, it fits. Now we'll look for the body. This piece looks like something we need, don't you think? Aha! Now we gotta find this piece. Here's the piece we need. Just this one left. Woohoo! We've got it, friends! It's a whale! Whales are huge animals. They're warm-blooded like people. Some whales sing songs that last for a long time. What's next? This animal. Let's start with its ears. Both the ears and the eyes. Help me look for this piece. That was easy, right? I think the body will be of the same color. What do you think? Is it the right one? Yep, we got it right. But we need more pieces. Look at these cute paws with a mushroom. What's left? The tail. I think this is what we need. Yes. But one more piece is still missing. It's this one! It's a squirrel. Squirrels have 4 front teeth that never stop growing. They're strong to crack nuts open. Wow, what a weird animal! Let's find its eyes. Huh, that's a big choice. Let's try these ones. Fit perfectly. Now, the body. Have you guessed what animal it is, guys? Just give me the name, will you? Uh-oh, one piece still missing. Can it be this one? Yes, it's a ladybug. Not all ladybugs are red. Some are yellow or orange. Ladybugs use their antennae to find food. Let's move on. What can this animal be? Let's find its ears first. Ears and eyes. Woohoo! Wait, it's wrong. That's how we put it. I think we can use this piece too. Perfect, let's keep going. Look at this smiley mouth. I bet it's just what we need. Don't you think there must be a tail here? For example, this one. Let's look for the body now. Oh, what a cute collar with a tiny bell. I think we just need another piece, and we're done. Maybe it's this one? Yes, it's a dog! Dogs are people's best friends. They are smart and can even see dreams. Let's take a look at this animal. Can we find its eyes? Maybe these are the eyes we need. We gotta check! Nah, they're too big. Then these eyes must be right. It fits. Let's check the other one. Woohoo! Next, we need to put the body together. I found one of the pieces. Here it goes. It's the biggest one. Now look for something round, guys. Aha! Let's see if it fits. It does. It's a snail. Snails have eyes on stalks and leave a trail of slime wherever they go. Do you know this animal? Let's find its ears.
Yeah!
Nope, it's not ears. I think we've got them. Wrong one. That's better. But we need one more. Gotcha. Let's put you in your place. Now what? The head. Here it is. We'll search for the body pieces next. I'm sure we need this piece. Yep, just one more left. Look at that. Tiny paws holding carrots. It's a rabbit! Rabbits can jump and twist in the air. They have long ears that help them hear really well. Just one animal left. Where are its eyes? Here they are, round and big, and green, right? This eye is definitely in its place. Now we need the other one. Let's spot the legs. That's not hard to do. Haha! One leg goes here. And the other one goes right next to it. Let's see which piece fits here. Must be this one? Right! Will we find the head? Aha! Gotcha! Nice! And the belly? It's right here. It's a frog. Frogs can live both in the water and on dry land. They have strong legs that help them jump long distances. We've put all the animals together. Great job, friends. Thanks for playing with me. Bye.